Welcome back. Today is December 6th, Sunday, and on this post, I'll be talking to you about the overall crypto markets really quickly before diving into Ethereum, ETHUSD, price action, and see what has changed since yesterday. I'll be telling you my today's bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and it will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence for trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, let's see what exactly is going on in the markets. Bitcoin dominance, we still do have Bitcoin dominance at about 63.6%. Not much has changed. In my opinion, Bitcoin dominance is at a crossroads where it can continue trending downwards or upwards because it's in between some key resistances and supports. Depending on which levels break, I could expect Bitcoin dominance to significantly trend up or down in the next few days or even a week. Okay, so that is something I'm still paying attention to. It tells me where the money is trending into or out of. Bitcoin price action still looking very bullish, holding up within that rising wedge pattern, bearish pattern. However, I do and have said that on my today's post that I do think Bitcoin is more likely to actually break upwards now. If you guys would like to see what I said in more detail, you guys can check out my Bitcoin price action posts today. Now, let's see what Ethereum is doing. On Ethereum price action, I do want to mention that I did not mention before because I didn't see it before, that we already had a weekly bearish divergence. Okay, if we actually compare this high with this high right here, so we've been having bearish divergence for 2 weeks now. Okay, now we have this week's candle close coming within a little over 2 hours, but I do think this is a very bearish sign because when bearish divergence happens, and especially on the weekly time frame, I could actually see quite a bit of a few weeks worth of bearish price action. You guys can take a look and see for bearish divergences, even on the Bitcoin chart, okay, that could signal quite a bit of pullback. The fact that we don't even have a red candle here since the bearish divergence happened here, that is looking very bullish, and that follows up with the points I am about to make. On the 3-day time frame, I did mention that there is also possible bearish divergence as well, and we had taken about probably one red candle for each 3-day bearish divergence, so not looking too bad. We don't get several candles, a trend in response to the divergence here, so it doesn't seem like the momentum is lost. And I do think to actually negate this past bearish divergence on the last RSI reading, which is about 73, I don't think that is going to be playing out because I think it's very within striking range of negating that bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame. In that sense, I do also think that is looking very bullish as well. Now let's go back to the daily time frame, which we have been running within this ascending triangle pattern with double bearish divergence, and that has not broken the formation here. Okay, now the next thing the price action needs to actually do to legitimately negate this bearish divergence will actually be making a significant move here, breaking above this top trend line about $625, okay, and actually beat this RSI reading of about 66, 67. I think that's completely doable with a even slightly significant move. So I think that's fine. So the measure breakout of this ascending triangle pattern is still at about it has not changed since yesterday, so basically still about 770 approximately, with the major resistance at about 760, the 0.5 fib level. Now, That is the measured target for the upside. 63% chance of it breaking to the upside. I think that is a lot more likely now as we speak. We're gonna visit this and see if I am right tomorrow or not, or if it does not even make a move by tomorrow. We'll see. We're gonna come back to it. Now let's take a look into consideration of the downside target, which is now higher because we are on a upward sloping bottom trend line here. So the measured target now is at about, if we were to actually break out by tomorrow, would be approximately $435. Quite a bit of moving averages between the expected breakout target and the measured target. I do think this is not very likely to break to the downside. You guys let me know what you think. Now, this concludes my very short update on Ethereum, ETHUSD. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. I would love to know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you guys would like to check out any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.